Hello, travel agents. Welcome to Travel Baba AI. We are the India's first AI-powered platform designed specifically for travel agents. In this video, we'll see how you can create a stunning AI-generated itinerary in a couple of minutes for your guests. You can save a lot of time by using this AI-powered tool to manage your travel business. So, let's dive into the video. First thing, you have to go to the Chrome browser and enter Travel Baba AI. So once you do that, you will have to click on this first link. Okay, you will be redirected to the Travel Baba website. You can see the login button here. Click on it. You will land on this sign in page. Okay, you will have to enter the WhatsApp number here. It is important for using the WhatsApp feature we have on our portal. So once you enter the number, then click on generate OTP. Then enter the OTP received on your mobile number and click on submit OTP. Here you logged into the Travel Baba portal. The first thing you have to do is update my profile section. It is important because all your brand details like your brand name, your logo and other detail will reflect on the quotation which you will be sending to your guest. So anybody would definitely want their brand to be displayed in the first place. Once you update the my profile section, you are good to go to create your first smart itinerary. So let's create an AI itinerary. So you will see an AI itinerary button here. Click on it. Then you will land on this page. Okay. And you will have to just fill in few trip details as per your guest requirements. Let's say, for example, my guest is asking for an Himachal quotation for 5 nights. Okay. So we will create that quotation here. First, we will have to enter the destination. Let's say for 5 nights, pickup location would be Chandigarh, covering Shimla for 2 nights. You will have to make sure one thing: the total nights here and the total nights we are entering in the city here should be equal. Okay, so for that we will add more cities here, and we will cover Manali, let's say, for 3 nights. This is how total 5 nights came. Drop location would be Chandigarh. Date I'm assuming 25th July. Meal plan I'm selecting MAP. Number of rooms one. There are couple, two passengers. 3-star hotel category they want, and they want sedan vehicle. Then after entering all the details here, you will have to click on generate trip. Once you click on generate trip, AI will get to work crafting a personalized device itinerary as per your client needs. In a couple of seconds, you will see full itinerary with destination activities, hotel suggestions, device, itinerary, everything. Okay. The interesting part here is, let's say, for example, if you want to do some modification in your itinerary, or if you want to change the hotel as per your hotel types, you can do that as well. So here you can click on the modify itinerary button. Once you click on it, everything will enable for editing. You can make the modification as per your need. Okay. Let's say, for example, if I want to change the hotel, let's say Sumitel Hotel. Okay, and let's say, for example, I want to add inclusion, both way airfare. Okay, and I will remove the exclusion from here because it is already included. Once it is done, you will have to click on save. The Sumitel hotel got saved, and the inclusion which we have added, it also got saved. So after that, you can enter the pricing here. Now here it is showing 25,000. Let's say, for example, 35,000 is the price. We have a couple too. We have two people, so it is 70,000. Discount we have added 10%, which is 7,000. 63 is the total payable price, and we have to enter the guest name here, which is already I have entered Santosh. Okay, once it is done, then you can click on the download button. Here you can select the multiple designs we have. You can choose anyone as per your brand theme or as you want. In couple of seconds, the itinerary will be converted into PDF design. Let's say, for example, I will select simple and sleek design. Download it as a beautiful PDF and share it with your guest. Here it is. From here onwards, you don't have to share in the text format on WhatsApp. Your itinerary looks professional and premium. There is no design skills needed to create this. So with the Travel Baba, create high converting itinerary in couple of minutes. Get more bookings without any quotation delay. now you have less manual work to do. It is 100% made for travel agents. So you can visit travelbaba.ai and start creating stunning PDFs and impress your client. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time. Thank you.